Connect power cord. Connect power to printer. Turn on printer. Open the cover. Turn the lever to unlock build platform. Take out platform. Check and clean build surface of the platform. Open the hatch. Take out resin tank. The film should be tightened and free of debris. If the film is too loose or too dirty, change for a new tank. Take out the outermost protective film. Reinstall the build platform. Lock the lever. Align the resin vat to the lock holes. Close the hatch. Preparation complete. After preparation, shake the resin well and pour it into the tank. Beware of the max resin level. Plug in the flash drive. Close the cover. Select USB disk option in print menu. Select the file to print. Click print then confirm. The printing job should start momentarily. After printing is finished, the screen will return to main menu. Open the cover. Open the lever and take out the build platform.